Hello everyone. Here we will discuss again Python in terms of variable types. This is our part number 4 Python. Then we will discuss what is variable and how it works. Basically Python variable is a reserved memory location that store data value for a Python program to process. On the other hand, we can say it means that when you create a variable, you reserve some space in particular memories. So we are preserving or we are creating extra space in terms of data. So variables are placeholder for information that can be recalled later in the coding process. We can store that particular space. So based on that data type of a variable, the interpreter allocates memory and decides what can be stored in the reserved memory. So therefore, by assigning different data types to particular variable, we can store integer, decimal, or character in these particular variables. So actually, this is the actual explanation or description of variable. Or we can say, if we are talking about the classification of variable types, so we can categorize into different terms. We didn't mention in this slide, but we are explaining some kind of classification of variable types, creating variables, variable names. On the other hand, we can say like reassigning values and so on. If we are talking about assigning value to a variable, if we are allocating a particular space to a variable, then we have to understand the basic concept of variable in terms of assigning values. So Python variables do not have to be explicitly declared to a reserved memory space. The particular declaration happens automatically when we assign a value to a particular variable. The equal sign will be used during the programming environment that is used to assign value to a variable. So as you can see, the actual description of assigning value to a variable, counter is equal to 100, then miles is equal to 100.0, that is a floating point. Apart from this, name is equal to John. It is a string, particular string, and then print counter, print miles, and print name. We have assigned three different values. First will be our integer. Let me check all those things. If we are talking about integer assignments and floating points and the number of strings in single quote or multiple quotes, as we already discussed in previous video. If we are assigning multiple values or we can say multiple assignments, then we can also assign a single value to a multiple variable simultaneously. For example, A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 1. It means we are assigning a single value to a number of variables. Variables are A, B, and C. Apart from this, A, B, C is equal to 1, 2, John. John is a string type. You can check this one. Name is equal to John. So we can say that we are assigning a multiple values or single values to a specific variable with the help of this example. In next video, we will understand what is the concept of data type in Python and how it works and how we can use during the programming interface. So I hope you like this video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. So thanks for watching this video.